Hi friends, this week we have been learning about animals and how they help each other. Today we're going to read about how some fish help each other. And this story is called A Team of Fish. And it is a non-fiction story. That means that it's going to tell us facts, or it's a true story. All right, so I would like you today to read along with me and do the best you can. Here we go. Fish swim in lakes and creeks. Fish swim in deep blue seas or oceans. Let's dive into the water. Let's look at fish. Fish can swim alone. Fish can swim with a partner. Fish can swim in a bunch too. A bunch of fish is called a school. A school has lots of fish. They are a team. The fish help each other. They look for food together. Fish eat lots of things. Some fish eat small animals. Some fish eat other fish. These catfish eat together for safety. It can be unsafe to swim alone. What is the chief reason? Danger. A fish can get snapped up, but a fish can hide in a school. Fish in a school have a neat trick. The fish swim close together. Big fish will not mess with them because they look like one huge fish. These crescent-tail big-eye fish swim in a school to fool big fish. This big fish wants to eat, but it stays away. The school looks like a huge fish that may eat him. Fish in a school keep each other safe. A school is a good place for a fish to be. Hundreds of barracuda fish swim in a school together. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this story, right? How do fish help each other? Small fish what? Swim in a school, right? And it makes it look like they're a big fish, right? Now, is this kind of school like the school that you guys go to? No, it means it's a group of fish, right? All right. The main reason why they don't swim alone is what? So that they are safe, right? And they want to fool those bigger fish. Some fish we learned about that do this are catfish, crescent-tail big-eye fish, and barracuda fish. They like to swim together in a school. All right, I want you to replay this video and read along with me. It's great practice. See you next time.